play game and stuff. So I decided to film because I saw something insane. I want to try to beam this guy out of the sky that's flying above me. I just killed someone, and then before I even killed them, they rage quitted and they left the whole game. I think they rage quitted so hard. No way, bro! Oh, no way, I got this chest, bro. Wait, no. Well, I cannot get him, but I have to because I need to get. Die? Yes, 2 players left. Me. Bro, no. No! I died in store!